or employment or anything like that. What is your reaction on that?
I think this is very unfortunate, and governor, it's not governor's fault because governor has to speak what is given to him. So we will respond to that in the assembly on Monday.
And what is this election? What do you feel this election, particularly this TTADC, and after that, village council is also coming close. So, what will be the issues on which this election will be fought? And so the CPM had categorically said that with what idea the TTADC has been formed, that is forgotten by both the parties, and now seems it's a fight about freebies that are given in the form of money, whatever.
I don't think I should respond to CPM. They are not even a force in Tripura. I don't think we should respond to CPM. They had 20 years of free run. What did they do? I don't think we should give them too much of importance because they have to say what they have to say because they have to fight an election. So they have to criticize someone to fight an election. I don't think they even deserve a reply from us. People will reply.
But what are the issues on which this election will be fought?
The most important thing is, are we getting what we are there for? We are the indigenous people of Tripura. We are the son of the soil. We've signed the Tripura Accord. We've asked for land rights. We've asked for direct funding. We've asked for autonomy. We've asked for our language to be accepted. And I think that there are many good leaders in BJP. I can name also on record Ratan Lal Nath, Pratima Bhaumik, former Chief Minister Biplab Debji, Sushant Chaudhary, Ranjit Singh Roy. There are many leaders in the BJP, Sudhanshu Das, all of them. They privately and publicly also, they understand the problem. So now that they have done it, we are ready. We are ready to fight.
Is there any possibility of the alliance to be formed till now?
I don't know. He said it. He's the Chief Minister. I'm a leader of my party. He has said it. Now, if they have to go back, you have to ask this question: why did they go back? I did not. मैंने पहला निशाना तो नहीं मारा. First, they have done it. Second time also they have done it. Third time they have done it. Today, if you hear my speech, I have clearly said that now that you have said it, we have to fight. Now, if tomorrow they have to go back, they have to explain to their party members why did they say 28 seats and then they went back.